So they want us to solve the equations for x. So this is basic manipulation of, okay, so let me rewrite the equation. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to distribute all of those in. So negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Here, 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Now I'll combine like terms. 10 and negative 2 is 8 minus 4x equals 4x minus 8. I'll add 4x to both sides. Add 4x. And I get 8, these cancel, equals 8x minus 8. I'll add 8 to both sides. A lot of 8's here. That's a lucky number, right? All right, 16 equals 8x. I'm going to come up here, right? So 8x equals 16, right? And divide by 8, and I get x equals 2, right? Most of that is distributive property. Okay, let's do B. Let me make space. B, the equation is written right there. I'm going to distribute. The biggest mistake people don't make is they don't distribute that negative in. It's really a negative 1 getting multiplied. So it becomes 5 minus 2x, and then minus a negative is plus 3, right, equals negative 8 plus 2x. Combine like terms, 5 and 3 is 8 minus 2x equals negative 8 plus 2x. I'll add 2x to both sides. 8 equals, these cancel, right, equals negative 8 plus 4x. I'll add 8 to both sides. 16 equals 4x. So let's come up here. 4x equals 16. Divide by 4 and get x equals 4.